Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive south on Interstate 95, beginning at Connecticut Mile 28 in the city of Bridgeport. We'll be seeing some rain over this in the next few videos, and as we're approaching New York City, we'll also be seeing some congestion. We enter the town of Fairfield, namesake of the county in which it resides. Fairfield, part of the greater Bridgeport planning region, was home to General Electric's corporate headquarters from 1970 to 2017. After nearly 5 decades, the company relocated its headquarters to Boston. The town had a population of 61,512 as of the 2020 census. We enter the town of Westport, with a population of 27,141 according to the 2020 census. Known for its highly ranked public school system, the best in Connecticut and 17th nationwide, Westport transformed in the 20th century from a farming community into a suburban haven. From the 1950s to the 1970s, Westport became a popular destination for those relocating from New York City, drawn by its natural beauty, vibrant arts scene, and quality schools. During this time, the town also gained a reputation for upscale shopping and suburban charm, with notable appearances in pop culture, such as the 1975 film The Stepford Wives, which used various Westport locations. By the 21st century, Westport had evolved into a hub for finance, insurance, and professional services while maintaining its reputation as a desirable, affluent community. We enter the city of Norwalk with a population of 91,184 as of the 2020 census, making it the sixth most populous city in Connecticut. While Norwalk is a coastal town with its coast lying at sea level, its highest point is on the fairway of the 16th hole of the Silver Mine Golf Course at 315 feet above sea level. The city takes its name from the Norwalk River, which empties into Long Island Sound right in the middle of the city. We'll be crossing the Norwalk River just ahead via the Yankee Doodle Bridge. We enter the town of Darien, the smallest town in Connecticut's Gold Coast at just under 13 square miles. The town had a population of 21,499 as of 2020. Darien EMS Post 53 is a unique ambulance service entirely staffed and operated by high school student volunteers. It responds to over 1,500 emergency calls annually, covering a particularly hazardous stretch of Interstate 95. Chartered as a scouting unit under the Connecticut Yankee Council, Post 53 provides emergency care free of charge, relying solely on private donations from local residents. Connecticut's law allowing emergency medical technicians to be certified at age 16 enables these teenagers to perform patient care. This remarkable service highlights both the dedication of its volunteers and the community's support. We conclude today's video at mile 11. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our newest channel member, Carl K., as well as backseat channel members Jimbo Slice, Master Players Radio and Television, US Ivan Hopper, and Chris Collins. You too can help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.